Why limit the impact of your presentations with conventional whiteboards when you can do a lot more? Switch to CloudTouch and make a great impression every time. The key to great presentation is great engagement. Nothing engages better than CloudTouch, an interactive flat panel display by CloudWalker. Whether it is a boardroom meeting, a conference, or a brainstorming session, CloudTouch is your best presentation solution. It brings presentations alive. Using the most advanced touch technology, functionality, and interactivity, CloudTouch allows you to make meetings and presentations smarter and interactive, collaborate with the audience, and share screens seamlessly. An interactive digital whiteboard which lets you annotate, write, draw on any image or video with easy gestures. Use your Airstream button along with CloudTouch to present wirelessly. So go on, make your presentations interactive and engaging with CloudTouch. CloudTouch will let you present, collaborate, and share all at one place at your fingertips. Would you like to make your presentations more interactive and collaborative? Get in touch with us today